What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded a video, but it's just for a reason. I am just like tied up to a lot of work, so I am just doing that and I'm not able to film some videos, so my apologies for that. But I am also testing out some new things, so let's just see how it's gonna be. So I hope you are gonna enjoy this video, and today I am gonna talk about how it's like to own this car. It's been like over 6 months since I have owned this car, and it's pretty good. I like it personally, I love it, and I'm gonna tell you what I like, what I don't like, and all those stuff about this car. And I'm gonna give you real unbiased ownership review of this car, like 2011 8th gen Honda Civic. I do own this car and I'm gonna show you it. So this is my car, 8th gen Civic. This is 2011 model, but it was registered in 2012, so technically you can call it 2012 Civic, but in 2011 they stopped making Civics. So this is my car and I bought it in January, in mid-January. I think I bought it in mid-January, yeah, and I am really happy with this car. By far this car haven't been reliable to me because of few things. It is not with this car, but because of some rats and all that, which I have shared with you in some videos. I have told you about that. Like, rats have chewed up a lot of things in my car and I'm not happy with that. Like, they have chewed a lot of stuff in this car and that is just really bothering me, and it's not cheap to replace parts of this car. Like in US and in other places you can tell that parts are cheap for Hondas, but in India parts are not that cheap, so it's not that cheap on my pocket, and I am still in college, so I have to take care of this car too, so it's not that cheap. So I am just looking at that. Like, it's not the best thing which is happening to me, but still I am grateful that I have this car and I'm not gonna complain about it. So now I'm gonna start talking about what I like in this car and what I don't like, and I'm gonna give you the review. So the best thing about owning this car is that I have a car. Like, I am a car enthusiast, hardcore car enthusiast, and I have a car and I can do some stuff to this car. I can do mods, endless mods to this car, and nobody's gonna stop me because I own this car and I can do whatever I want to. Nobody can say anything to me. I don't have to look at someone and just see, whoa, they own a car and I don't. Like, I don't have that kind of feeling. I own a car and I can do whatever I want to. It's just on me what I want to do with this car, and I'm really happy with it. So I am trying to mod this car. I have a lot of things planned for this car, but at this time I am not able to spend like a big chunk of money to buy body parts. Like, body parts in the sense, I am not able to buy some big body kits for this car because I don't have that kind of money right now, but I am doing some small mods here and there which are just in my budget, and I can do that right now. So I just save up for those things and I do those mods. There are few mods that I have done to this car and I'm going to show you those. So the mod I did to this car was, first, the exhaust. This is a HKS exhaust and it sounds great at this point. Like, this is a starter's exhaust. It is not that loud, it is not a straight pipe, and I want to get a whole exhaust system for this car, but at this point I just have this muffler at the end. I just replaced this, and after that it is just normal small pipe and normal headers. So that is all stock, but the exhaust is of HKS. This is HKS exhaust and it is phenomenal at this point. Like, I love it at this point, but in future I would like to make it a bit loud. I would like to remove the catalytic converters, but till then I would just love to have this exhaust. After some time, when I'm gonna get bored of it, I am gonna remove the catalytic converters, but right now it is just perfect and it have the perfect tone to it. So other than the exhaust, I have some decals on my car, and I have a sunroof and my roof is black, so that looks good. Other than that, I don't think I have done anything to this car right now. I have some decals on the front banner too. In the starting, when I got these decals, I got a YouTube decal for the rear window, but I removed that, and I got the number plate replaced because that was an old number plate and that wasn't valid, so I replaced the number plate. And as I told you guys in previous video, all this stuff was broken. Somebody broke my side mirror and this part was broken. I got to know that my motor is okay. The motor inside this mirror was alright, it was fine, but this plastic piece from inside was broken, and I got this plastic piece for my car. Yeah, I know this is black and before this it was white, but now I have a black piece, but I was about to paint it white, but then I thought I am going with the black accents on a white car, So I can just wrap this whole thing black. I can just wrap this again black, and I can wrap this mirror black on the other side too. On the both sides I can just wrap them black and they'll look fine. So that's why I didn't painted it white. So at this point of time it is okay, but in near future, like this month or next month, most probably next month, I'm gonna get this wrapped in black color, and I am pretty sure it is gonna look nice. With that, I am gonna get the handles wrapped in black too, and I hope it is gonna look nice. Other than that, I don't know which other accents I would like to wrap black. After that, I have these wheels. These are aftermarket wheels. These doesn't look the best, and these are not in the best condition. If you look at from the near, they are curb razzed a lot. The previous owner just curb razzed them, and they look bad, and they are not even clean, because I haven't washed this car in a long time. So I am gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna wash this car properly. After that, the wheels are gonna look great. So in the starting, when I bought this car, it had like 46 or 47,000 kilometers, and now it must be having like 50,000 kilometers. I haven't driven it that much because, you know, there was a lockdown, and there was most of the time you just spend your time in your house, and I wasn't able to go anywhere. So I haven't driven this car a lot, but still, the time I have driven this car, it is just really nice, and I am really happy about it. This car never lets me down. The power in this car is just great. Like, according to other cars in India, if you are going to compare them with other cars, if you are going to compare this car with some other normal cars which are driven in India, it is like way more. It has 600 more cc than other cars. This car have 1800 cc, to be exact 1799 cc, but that is good enough for me in the starting. In the near future, I would like to change the fuel pump and do some new coils and new starter and all that, and then I would like to tune this car, which is gonna give me a tiny bit of more power, and I'll be able to do that. So that would be great, but at this point I'm happy with it. So this car does not have a lot of mileage. It doesn't give a good mileage while driving. It just gives really low mileage, and you cannot drive this car cheap. Like, driving this car is not cheap, and it's just not cheap for me. At this time it is really expensive for me, and I'm not able to drive it every single place. Like, I do drive it every single place, but I have to look at that, where I'm driving and where I'm going and how much mileage it is gonna give me. Like, on a big road trips, I haven't taken this car. So I am planning on taking this car on a road trip, and then I'm gonna accumulate and get the data how much mileage this car is gonna give me when I'm gonna take it on a road trip. Interior wise, this car is nice, but the color here is not the best. The BG color or the cream color of these seats and these door panels are not the best. I don't like it. I would like to change it someday, but not right now. At this point, I'm just saving for it. I got a quote how much it's gonna cost me to change all this color, and I'm gonna get that done. I don't know when, but soon. I hope it will be soon, because I don't know how much time it's gonna take me. I didn't updated you guys that I got this new key for this car. It looks good. Like, I only had one key, so the previous owner just gave me the one key, so I got this new key, and it was not that expensive, so I just got this key, and it looks nice. This metal button doesn't work because I don't have a boot latch, so this button doesn't work, but these two buttons does work, and it have a key. So other than that, this car doesn't have touch screen. In the middle is just like normal buttons, and this is like outdated. I'm gonna show you the gauge. In the starting of the video too, I showed you the gauge, and it is like outdated. It is in every Civic. Yeah, I don't have a lot of gasoline, but it's okay. I'll fill it sometime soon, like in the next video or in a couple of days. I'll just refill the car. It's all right. But I would like to get a flat screen here, which is just gonna get like from here to the upper part, and it is gonna look nice. It is just gonna cover all this part. It is gonna be like here, and it is gonna look nice. I hope it's gonna look nice, because I have seen this in couple of people's car, and in their Civic it looked great, and I would like to get a screen here too, which is gonna look nice, and I'm pretty pumped about it. So I need to do a lot of mods to this car, but I am just waiting for some money, and I'm just like saving for those mods. So let's see which mod I'm gonna do next. But the next mod which I'm thinking of is gonna be the badges. Like, I am gonna get red Honda badges, and I am obsessed with those badges. Like, those badges look so nice, and they are so clean. I have removed like my rear badge that just fell out, so I haven't pasted that again with anything, with whatever I have to stick it with. I am just waiting to buy the red aftermarket badges for my car, and I'm gonna do that in a couple of days. Like, in next video or so, or this month only, I'll just upload that video in which I'm gonna put those badges on my car. and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Like most probably you'll know how it looks, but still, for my sake, just watch that video. Just wait for it. Like this car is not that loud from inside, but the exhaust sounds so nice. It sounds good. It does sounds like a stock car, but still I'm pretty happy with it and I don't have any concerns with that. So I was just thinking of doing some stuff to this car and I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but I am just waiting to save some money and most probably it is gonna be done in few months. It is a speed bump. Like there's a speed bump and I need to go slow over it because my car bottoms out. Also, I have lowered this car on stock springs. I have lowered this car so it's not that high. Like in compared to other cars, it's not that high. So I have to look after my car and where I'm driving. I cannot drive it at every single place. I just have to look after that. Other than that, this car is pretty much stock and it looks great. So I also have a power steering pump leak. Like that's not the best thing, but I have that power steering pump leak and I am not happy with it. I have to get it fixed. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I bought a power steering fluid, so whenever I have to refill the power steering pump, I just refill it. I don't have it like it is not leaking way too much, but it is leaking, so I have to get it fixed. But let's just see when I'm gonna do that. I don't have the time right now because I talked to the mechanic and he told me that it is gonna take like around 6 hours to fix this, and I don't have that much time right now, so I am just waiting for the time. Whenever I'm gonna get the time, I'm gonna get it fixed. You guys need to subscribe to my channel to see what my car is gonna look like and what vision I have in my mind for this car, because it is gonna look phenomenal. Like it is gonna be one of its kind, I can assure you that. I am not gonna do the same builds what other people have done. I'm gonna have this car differently and it is gonna look great. I can assure you that it is gonna look great. So thank you guys for watching my video and I hope you got what I like in this car and is good and what's not good. Like most of the main things I have discussed about this car, and it is a great car and this is just like one of my dreams to own this car, and I own it. It doesn't seem real, but right now I just feel like, yeah, it's been 6 months, so I know it's real. So I am pretty happy with it and I hope you guys loved this video and you loved the review I gave on this car. I'm gonna do that more on other cars too, so just subscribe to my channel and smash the like button because you know that helps me a lot. That is just good for your YouTube algorithm. So thank you guys for watching. Just subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace out. Yeah.